Seeing your crush with someone else can be really difficult, especially if you can't avoid running into them at school. It can make you feel heartbroken and hopeless, but these are natural feelings. Luckily, there are ways to make it easier on yourself. Take a moment to focus on your breathing, and look away from them to prevent feeling even worse. Find something else to focus on, like reading or texting a friend. If possible, remove yourself from the situation and find a quiet place to have a moment of privacy. Counter negative thoughts with positive ones, and talk to a trusted friend about what happened. Consider unfollowing her social media accounts to think about her less, and avoid the places where she hangs out. Stay busy with schoolwork or new hobbies to distract yourself, and seek support from friends, family, or a guidance counselor if needed. Find an outlet for your feelings, such as writing in a journal or engaging in creative or physical activities. Lastly, take care of yourself by practicing self-care.